Hey everyone, I'm Denise Dunleavy. I'm an animal communicator and teacher, and I am answering another frequently asked question. So, does the animal have to be present when I'm communicating with them? And the answer to that is no, they don't have to be there. They usually don't even acknowledge or realize that a conversation is happening. Sometimes, when an animal's in the room, they will be very calm or they may seem interested in what you're talking about. But really, I'm connecting to their energy, and that energy transcends time and space. So I look at a picture of the animal to connect. And you don't even have to have a picture, really. It works without it. However, I choose to use a picture because it helps me set the intention that this is the animal that I'm communicating with. It also helps to open the channel because I often start getting information as soon as I look at the picture without even really trying to create that connection. And it also gives me some information about the animal without having to guess. For instance, if an animal is coming through really big and ferocious, it makes a big difference whether this is coming from a German Shepherd or from a Chihuahua. If I have a picture and I know that this is a Chihuahua, I know that this says more about their personality than their size. And so it removes a little bit of that guessing part when I'm in a session. This might be kind of controversial with animal communicators, but I prefer not to have the animal present. And that is because it's harder for me to tell what is coming from the animal as communication and what is in my head because I can see them. For instance, if an animal is right in front of me, I have a good idea of their personality and I get a feeling for them. It's different if I don't see them and I know their personality. That's how I confirm that I'm connecting to the right animal and that they are coming through to me. And it can be more difficult if, for instance, someone's asking about their animal's health and I look over and I see them scratch their ear. I start to think, oh, they're scratching their ear, there must be something wrong. And then I start thinking, well, is that because I saw it or because are they really telling me that? And so it just reduces some of that uh, confusion, some of the conversation that's going on in my head to make space for that animal to really just say what they want to say. Some animal communicators do have offices. I don't at the moment. I do all of my sessions over Zoom, but I can guarantee that it works just as well as being with an animal in person, and maybe even better if you ask me. I would love to talk to your animals for you. My information is below. Sending love and light to you all.